So hi! Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano nga ba mag-log out ng account sa ating Canva app. But first, kindly subscribe to the channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell notification for my new updates. And if you want to learn more, just keep on watching and let's start. So ayan guys, for today's video, i-open lang natin ang ating Canva app. And dito guys, pagka-open, mula dito sa pinakang homepage, pumunta lang tayo or itap lang natin yung ating profile. So makakapag-logout lang tayo guys ng account once na naka-login yung account natin dito sa Canva. So dito guys, sa pinaka-account natin, hanapin nyo lang yung logout na nandito sa baba. So after nyan, tap natin yung logout. And automatic yan guys, after yung itap or pindutin yung logout, ganyan yung maging itsura niya. And pwede na tayong mag-login ng bagong account since naka-logout na yung ating account sa Canva. So, ayun lang guys, ganun lang kasimple kung paano nga ba mag-logout sa Canva app. If you have a question, kindly comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And thank you for watching!
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay.